between me and you. I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do to me.
Hey y'all, welcome back. So it is the next day, November 6th, 8:45. I just came back from Marshall's. I got a couple things. I also went to the beauty supply store and got a couple things as well. Clearly this vlog is going to consist of random things that I have bought, but let me just show you guys the stuff that I got. First, I got these super cute sandals, H2K. Obviously, they're supposed to be Birkenstocks. Like, that is the goal. But, I mean, I think they're cute. I own a pair of Birkenstocks, and these are a little bit softer because you guys know Birkenstocks are kind of hard. So they're comfy. They're cute. Little pop of gold, whatever. Got this cute little ring. I guess I could take it off, y'all. I cannot wait to be cute again. I don't even know who I am. My cat scratches. I'm putting on the other hand because I have this super fat cat scratch. I might be ashy, but mine's yours. So it looks like that. I don't know if you can see. It's cute. It's cute. Okay, so now the random stuff that I got from Marshall's. I actually initially wanted to go to Marshall's for something. I wanted to get something to cover like the top of my dresser because when I moved like a year ago, the top of it got scratched up, so I need to cover it up because it's driving me crazy. So I got something for the top of that, and also I wanted to get like a perfume tray. I have like 4 perfumes, but I wanted to put them in something because they're just kind of up there right now. So I got this. They literally have 3, like 3 in total, and I didn't even notice this. My mom was like, oh, look at that. And I was like, oh. And so I like it because it's mirrored. As you can see, it's mirrored. And it's dark brown, so it matches my furniture, and it's perfect. Also, I got this. This is actually like a table runner, but I'm gonna use it to cover the top of my dresser because one, it'll lay flat on the sides. It's got a little bit of weight, and it pretty much matches my room, like literally, as you can see. Boom. So, like, perfect. Okay, also, I found this super cute jacket, and it's so freaking soft. It's not cropped, but it does have a cute little, let me just put it on for y'all real quick. My scarf. So as you can see, you know, it's got a little size to it, a little puff. Super comfy. I feel like a truck driver, but it's giving. The sleeves are like, you know, it's long enough. Let me see. Look how cute. Needs a bit up. If I can find the, she's cute. Is it a hood? Ah! Tell me it's not giving winter. It's giving winter. But let me see. So this is by the company, the brand, CNC California. It was originally $24.99. Marshall had it on sale for $16. I don't know about y'all, but I love a good sweater. And I saw this on the mannequin, and it was in a different color. I didn't even realize, but I saw this color and I was like, oh. So it's got like distressed edges. So it's not like off the shoulder, but as you can see, it's like, it's V, it's a wide V. And it's got long sleeves that are cuffs, and then the bottom is a little bit of distress too. Super cute with some jeans and some boots, and like this cut is pretty deep, so you can show the girls or you can put a little camisole, but I think it's darling. I mean, I dress like a 15-year-old, so perfect. Also, I saw these super cute hair clips. I don't have any of these, but I think they're adorable. Obviously, I'm bald, so this is for when I wear my wigs. And then I got even more random stuff. So I really want to try curling my hair because I just don't know how to use a curling iron. And flat iron curls are just, yeah. So I found this interchangeable curl tool. It was $24.99, so I was like, why not? So it comes with, I just hope it works. Like, if I can plug it up and it works, it's whatever. So here's the two curling barrels and then the wand. This is by the brand Revive. Yeah, Revive. All right, so then I got the Bedhead Massive Shine Wave Artist 2X Tourmaline Ceramic Deep Waver. So it's just a crimper. I feel like some crimps would be super cute. I have this new wig, and I feel like some crimps would be fire. Period. What is this? Oh, and then I saw this really cute chain or whatever, 16-inch by 3-inch necklace from House of Harlow 1960. I just thought it was really cute. Like, it wasn't too much, you know, cute. And I don't really own gold jewelry. I'm more of like a silver girl, so why not? And then I got this cute Adidas hat. Cute. I don't know, I really like hats, and since I'm baldy, like, hats are always a go-to. And I only have like 3, so I was like, oh, that one's for me. Then lastly, I got, what is this? Blowfish Malibu. This is a brand. And it's just these like super cute, I guess combat boots, but they're like really soft. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but this is kind of like that Balenciaga material right here. And then this is like a suede, but they're really cute. They have a little chunk at the bottom, and I like that. So I was like, I don't have any combat boots. All my boots have like heels on them, so I figured these would be cute to get. And then I also found this Cover FX pressed powder. Lucked up, it was in my shade. You already know how it is when you go to Marshall's. They have all the name brand makeup products for the Lolo. So when you find something, you better get it because it's gonna be gone. Trust. All right, cool. So now I'm gonna just put this stuff over here for my my dresser, and then we're gonna start studying. I have a test on Monday.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for every, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Okay, so this ended up being the final product. It's not much, but it looks better than it did, so I can't complain. I think it's cute, something simple. It matches like the rest of my room. now, so I decided to pop in really quickly and give you the dates on this hair. This is the Hair VV Iris. Obviously, this is not a brand new wig. She has been worn. She's super bomb. Actually, really love this wig. She was expensive. I'm just gonna like go through the styling portion, and yeah.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at everywhere.